Hey,
Ándale, ándale.
ándale, ándale.
Hey, 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 what up?
Oh, you ain't know? Smitty finna flex on me.
Hurry up and buy, I sell, I supply. Ándale, ándale.
Ándale, ándale.
Hurry up and buy, I sell, I supply. Ándale, ándale.
Ándale, ándale.
One time up the one way. Ándale, ándale, ándale. Get 'em gone like a runaway. Ándale, ándale, ándale. Ándale.
Ándale.
Yo, what's the deal, steppers? It's your boy Freddy Ruger, and I'm back with another Ruger review. And before we get started, I want y'all to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's get this thing off the road. I got a pair of shoes early, about 2-3 weeks ago, man. Real nice shoe. Real nice shoe, dope colorway. I never owned a pair, so this is my first pair, man. We're gonna go ahead and unbox the Airmax Air Raid. Big stupid dumb box, size 13, man. I ain't doing a real review batch today because I'm gonna do something real quick for y'all, man. I just wanted to get it out the way before it actually drop. So I've been lollygagging doing my thing. We're gonna boom. Nice shoe right there. Start off with these shoes. Real nice. Clean cut, color code, coordinated shoe. I really like the green mix.
Ain't no green nowhere in that shoe.
Get a good look at that. Nice suede on the back of that shoe right there. Got real nice detail. Super smooth suede, gray on the toe box. Nice tumble leather on the mud guard. Nice features, period, on the shoe, man. Got a nice, you know I'm into the 3M. Got the nice 3M, gray 3M on the air raid strap on the side. Nice little black metal aglets on that thing right there. I really dig the straps though. That's some nice little feature. I like that right there. Let's see here, man. Might give y'all a nice on foot later on down the line, or a review on how it feel on the foot. Tongue real nice and plush suede right there. Nice little, man. Nice shoe, Johnny. Kind of bulky, but it's a nice shoe, Johnny. Real nice shoe, man. On the back it say for outdoor use only. Yeah, man.